Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video I have some giveaway winnings from Just Joe Nail Addict. First of all, I'd like to say thank you so much to Joe. You really didn't have to, because in honesty I didn't even know that I'd won this giveaway. I've been really awful lately at watching YouTube videos. I'm trying to sort of work out more of a schedule so I can alternate and make sure that I'm more active on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, sharing posts for companies that I'm brand ambassador for, and just generally uploading my own videos, because I haven't even been uploading myself very regularly lately. So hopefully I'm going to be a bit more active in that aspect soon. But like I said, thank you so much, Joe. I really do appreciate it. And I'm going to crack on and show you guys everything that I have won. So I'm going to start off by showing you these. I am actually already wearing these, as you can see. I'm absolutely in love with these, and these are going to come in so handy. I've been wanting to just sort of have some fake nails lying around really for times like today, where I've taken off my extensions and quite frankly could not be bothered to redo my nails in order to film. But I also hate filming with natural nails, so these are really handy because they're just quick and easy, just whack on your fingers and be done. So I'm absolutely over the moon with these. When I first saw them I initially thought they were black, but they're not. They're more sort of like a very dark green, but they're really nice. I like the shape of them. The length's good as well, because I did have some extensions on the other day and I literally only had them on for a couple of days before I took them off again, simply because I really struggled freehand paint with long nails on. And after watching back my last video I noticed that quite a lot of the clips my thumbnail was getting in the way of what I was painting because it was just simply too long. So I took the nails off and I just haven't got around to sort of painting them again yet, but I will. But these are really handy for just times where I haven't quite got around to it but I'm keen to film a video. So thank you so much, Joe. I really do like them. Like I said, they're a dark sort of green, square shape, false nails. There's 24 on there with glue as well. I've stuck mine on with glue tabs from Primark. But yeah, I love these. Thank you very much, Joe. And then we've also got these ones. These are gorgeous. They are stiletto ones, which I've never worn before. I'm not usually a fan of that sort of shape, but that's mainly because I've got kids and I get worried about poking them in the eye or something. But I do really like these. They're sort of like a white but pearly sort of white. They're gorgeous, and again they come in 24 and they're glue, and they're really gorgeous. And I will give them a go because they're quite nice and short, so hopefully they won't be too lethal. But yeah, I'm really excited to try them anyway, so thank you, Joe. Okay, and then she has sent me these, which are absolutely gorgeous. I think you can get these from Down the Range, which is like a massive store that sells everything here in the UK. You can literally get furniture in there, you can get beauty products, garden products, household products, cleaning products, toys, like everything, food. You can literally get the whole lot down there. It's just one of them type of stores, and I believe that they sell these in the arts and crafts section. I might be wrong, but if not, they definitely sell something similar. These are really cute. You can get away with using them on nails, but they're just really good to have for arts and crafts in general. These ones, obviously, as you can see, are in silver. They're super metallic, very floral, kind of got that sort of lacy vibe to them, but they're really cute, and you get so much on there, like it's a massive length. So yeah, definitely will come in very handy, and they will go a long way. So thank you, Joe. And she has also sent me some similar but in gold. These are very floral again. They're super cute. I love all the different patterns on them. They're very unique, very pretty, and I just love them. So thank you, Joe. We have got some purple holographic strands from Charlie's Nail Art. These are really gorgeous. I absolutely love the ultra fine Cadbury's purple mix that Charlie does. These are just, they are holographic, but like more, are they holographic? I don't know, but they sort of shift pink. So they're really pretty, and I really like them. I don't use strands much at all, but I'm definitely going to start using them a bit more because I have got a lot of different strands and they're just so funky and so cool. But yeah, I love them. Thank you, Joe. She has also sent me some fine holographic strands. Again, I think these might be from Charlie's Nail Art. If not, Charlie does a whole load of different strands. And if you wasn't already aware, I am actually a brand ambassador for Charlie's Nail Art. So I do have a discount code in the description box down below, which is SammyJoe10, which will get you 10% off of all your orders at Charlie's Nail Art. I don't make any profit from that. That's literally just a discount code for you guys. But it's definitely worth checking out. There's a whole massive range of products from Charlie's Nail Art, and she does have these sort of strands in literally so many different colours at really affordable prices. So if you're after some really nice Strands, definitely check out Charlie's Nail Art. But yeah, I love those. Thank you again, Jay. And then we got some hot pink Rumbas. These are really cool. I definitely don't have these in my collection. They're really gorgeous. And again, they're like, they are holographic, but they're not like reflective of loads of different colours. They just sort of shift between like purples or red and pink. They're gorgeous. They're really, really, really pretty. But yeah, like I said, Charlie's got a bit of all sorts on her website. Like she has all these in different colours as well at really affordable prices. So yeah, if you haven't already checked out Charlie's Nail Art, I definitely would recommend checking it out. You can get some right bargains on that and get gorgeous products just like these. So then Joe has sent me some She Modern water decals, or foil decals I think they're called. These are really gorgeous. I actually have quite a lot of She Modern decals. I don't have this particular pattern though, but they're really cool because you can customise them. Not only can you pick colours, but you can also pick like patterns like speckles, and there's a few on that. I can't remember off the top of my head, but they're really cool, the She Modern decals. So again, it's another company to check out if you haven't already checked them out. She sells quite a lot of awesome stuff on her website. I really love her foil glue. It's the best foil glue I have ever used. And her decals are really cool as well. She also does stuff like water paints, pigments, glitters, etc. So yeah, that's another nail art website to check out if you haven't already. And you can get some awesome decals like these. But yeah, thank you, Joe. I really appreciate it. I really like these. And then she sent me these, which are really cool. I've not seen ones like these before, but they're like stickers. These would look really good going around your free edge of your nail. You can literally just peel them off, stick them on, apply a top coat, and you're good to go. They're really cool, they're quick and easy, and yeah, they're just brilliant if you just want to make your nails look cool without spending ages doing them. So yeah, I appreciate that. Thank you very much, Jay. I like the variation in colour on them, they're really cool. And then she sent me these, which are basically the same thing. Again, these look good around the free edge of your nail to sort of create like a smile line. As you can see, there's sort of like a white lace effect. And then you've also got these like diamond crystal bits around them as well. Again, just a really quick and effective way of making your nails look awesome in no time at all, which I appreciate. So thank you, Jay. And then we've got small stickers. These are very blue, flowery, leafy ones. They're really cool though. I really love that shade of blue. And they're also shiny. They've got like silver metallic on them as well. They're really fun. And again, simple, easy way of making your nails look pretty. So yeah, love them. And then finally, we've got these Thanksgiving. I think these ones are actually decals, but the Thanksgiving ones, I've never actually done a set of Thanksgiving nails before. But I tell you what, next year when Thanksgiving rolls round, I'm definitely 100% going to be using these. They're really fun. I just like the turkey and like the little turkey dinner going on there. It's just really cool. And yeah, I just love them. Obviously I can't use them for a while, but I definitely will be taking them out when the time comes. But yeah, there's something a bit different. I've never seen Thanksgiving decals before, anything Thanksgiving related really for nails. So yeah, I really like them. They are just so fun and so different. So yeah, thank you, Jay. So yeah, that is everything I have won from Joe's giveaway. Like I've already said like 100 times, thank you so much, Joe. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please pop on over to Just Joe Nail Art's channel. I will leave it down in the description box, and I'll also pin it in the comments as well. Please go check her out. Let's get her closer to her 1k subs. And also, if you have the time, if you wouldn't mind just popping her channel on and just giving her a bit of watch time as well. I know she would really appreciate any watch time. She's getting quite close to her 4k watch time hours now, I think, so definitely, if you can just help give her a little push, that'd be fantastic. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you so much, Jay, for all these lovely goodies. I love you all so much, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.